This 2025 Winnebago Ekko Transit 22A is a Class C RV. It is located in Rockford, Illinois, 61101 and is offered for sale by Winnebago Motorhomes. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 23 feet 0 inches in length and features a Verities, Sage, Green, Slate interior, sleeps 4, smoke detector, refrigerator, water heater, air conditioning, TV antenna, stove top burner, awning, spare tire kit, TV, auxiliary battery, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features front entertainment, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko Transit 22A is built on a Ford Transit chassis and is powered by an EcoBoost engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Winnebago Motorhomes.